Doing meditation correctly, how to meditate. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on the essential points and features for doing meditation in 2024. Meditation, an ancient practice, remains incredibly relevant today, providing numerous mental and physical health benefits. Let's delve into the essence of meditation and how to practice it effectively to reap its full rewards. Finding your space. The first key aspect of meditation is finding a quiet and comfortable space where you can sit or lie down without distractions. This environment will help you focus your mind and body during the practice. Consider creating a dedicated meditation corner in your home, perhaps adorned with calming elements like candles, soft lighting, or plants to enhance the ambiance. Adopting proper posture. Next, it's crucial to adopt a proper posture that promotes relaxation and alertness. Whether sitting cross-legged on a cushion, lying down, or using a chair, ensure your spine is straight and your body is at ease. A straight spine aids in maintaining focus and preventing drowsiness. Starting with breath focus. As you begin your meditation session, concentrate on your breath. Focus on the sensation of each inhale and exhale, allowing your breath to guide you into a state of mindfulness. Notice how the air feels as it enters your nostrils and fills your lungs, then gently exits your body. This simple yet profound focus on breathing helps anchor your mind in the present moment. Managing thoughts. Avoid getting caught up in your thoughts. Instead, acknowledge them without judgment and gently return your focus to your breath. This practice of letting go of distractions is fundamental in meditation. Think of your thoughts as clouds passing by in the sky. You observe them without attachment, letting them drift away. Utilizing meditation techniques. Explore various meditation techniques to find what works best for you. Some popular methods include mindfulness meditation. Focus on being intensely aware of what you're sensing and feeling in the moment. Loving kindness meditation, metta. Cultivate an attitude of love and kindness towards yourself and others. Body scan meditation. Gradually focus on different parts of your body, promoting relaxation. Mantra meditation. Use a repetitive word or phrase to focus your mind. Incorporating technology. In 2024, technology offers numerous tools to aid your meditation practice. Apps like Headspace, Calm, and Insight Timer provide guided meditations, progress tracking, and community support. These resources can be especially helpful for beginners or those seeking to deepen their practice. Creating a routine. Consistency is key. Make an effort to meditate regularly, even if it's just for a few minutes each day. Establish a routine by setting aside a specific time each day for meditation, such as first thing in the morning or before bed. Over time, you'll notice the benefits of a calmer mind and increased clarity. Practicing patience and compassion. Remember, meditation is a personal journey. Be patient with yourself and allow the practice to unfold naturally. It's normal to experience fluctuating levels of concentration and engagement. Treat yourself with compassion, recognizing that every meditation session contributes to your overall progress. Understanding the benefits. Research has shown that regular meditation can reduce stress, enhance emotional health, improve concentration, and promote self-awareness. These benefits are cumulative, growing more profound with consistent practice. Engaging with community. Consider joining a meditation group or community, either locally or online. Engaging with others who share your interest can provide motivation, support, and new insights into your practice. Many communities offer group meditations, workshops, and discussion forums, tailoring your practice. Lastly, tailor your meditation practice to fit your lifestyle and preferences. Whether it's a brief session during a lunch break, a longer weekend retreat, or incorporating movement through walking meditation, the flexibility of meditation allows it to complement your life seamlessly. By following these guidelines, you can cultivate a fulfilling meditation practice in 2024 and beyond. Embrace this journey with an open heart and mind, and enjoy the profound benefits that meditation can bring to your life.